Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. Yes, this is Omkara Tarot. It's just that I've made some huge changes to my life, which includes my home and the city I was living in. So my stuff hasn't arrived yet, but I'm here, and so is Spirit and the cards and you guys. So I thought I'll do a quick love bite for you, and let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Scorpio. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. All right, Scorpio, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being patient with me, and sorry for I missed out last week's readings, I know, but I'm here now. And newbies, if you enjoy the reading, do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in as well. So Scorpio, somebody has cut off somebody. No longer. One second. Ooh. Bottom of my deck, I have the heartbreak card here, Scorpio. Somebody is very, very heartbroken. They feel their person has cut them away, cut them off, not accepting any love offer. Somebody does want to reunite. There's a page of swords in the center of my spread. So somebody is still kind of relying on petty gossip or petty behavior, still trying to get information about why this has backfired. It's like a love connection gone wrong. See? Two of Cups in reverse. I do feel somebody wants to return though. I do feel somebody still wants to return. Let's see what's happening here. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards for you, Scorpio. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll do the rest of your cards. So Scorpio and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Scorpio and their person. Scorpio and their person. Okay. I'm going to take a few more, Scorpio, from another deck, and I've started my personal readings again, so if any of you are looking for that, my email is in the description box below. Scorpio and that person, and take a few more from here, and then we begin your reading. Scorpio and that person. All right, good to go, Scorpio. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, "Don't come back to me if you haven't leveled up. I knew all along that you had the potential to run again, but the intensity of our connection and my curiosity about it is what kept me interested in you. My boundaries are stronger now, and your old mind games will no longer be tolerated." Like I said, somebody is kind of given up. Somebody is pissed off with their partner and cut them out, literally. "Your ego is effing irritating me. Can't you see the value I would add to your life? If only you would just let me in. We could be a strong power couple." The other person still wants a chance here, Scorpio. "Why do you hide your pain from me? You know that I can see right through you. Our souls are entwined and reflect each other deeply. If you would only talk with me, I could help support you, your healing, and that would help heal me too." "I know you think you broke me, but don't give yourself so much credit. I'm not porcelain. I might have a few cracks, but I let the light in and allowed it to shine back into the world. Don't worry about fixing me so much, as you should worry about fixing yourself." Again, spoken like the Queen of Swords in reverse. "You are my daily motivation. Your soul, the essence of who you are, inspires me and helps me navigate the path of life. Our love will never die because true love lasts forever. I don't expect you to be perfect. I love your perfect imperfections because they make my life as perfect as one can imagine. Though we cannot meet or see each other, still I love you more every day. My heart belongs to you for eternity. There is more to this than I'm able to share with you right now. And the last one says, I need some time to collect my thoughts. This is a card which has been coming out for a lot of zodiacs. Everybody is taking like a little retreat nowadays, it seems, to think before they act now. So let's start your reading, Scorpio. I'm going to start as usual with our angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for this reading. My angels for Scorpio, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Scorpio. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Scorpio, please. Sorry, too many fell out together. Once more, blessing, guidance, signs from above. So somebody is following their path here. Somebody is getting guided by the universe, maybe seeing the signs and synchronicities about where to go, what to do, who to cut out, and these are going to be continuing to come, it seems, Scorpio, for you, I guess, because this is your reading. So look out for signs, symbols, repeating numbers, repeating songs, because it seems the universe is guiding you through this. So now let's see what's happening in your reading. Queen of Swords, why are you upside down? Why are you so upset? Who have you cut off? The Queen of Swords says, I have made a decision. I have made a decision. I have walked away. That's what I was feeling as well. Somebody has walked away. They no longer trust their partner. They don't love their partner, I guess. Very angry with them, very upset with them, wanting to do nothing with them. They were disrespected. This person could have been maybe at one point thinking they could have something more solid with this person, but this Queen of Pentacles was disrespected. They were never given that foundation to work on. Maybe one person was only giving and taking care of the other person, and they never got treated the same back in return. So now this Queen of Swords has huge boundaries up and has literally walked away, made a decision for themselves. Page of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Page of Cups in reverse. Now the other person doesn't know. They don't know whether they can even take an apology. They are stuck in their head, totally stuck in their head. They want this queen back in their life. They see them as the person that they can be a strong power couple with. They see them as their happiness, their sunshine. But somehow they feel, I've been cut out. I don't even know if my apology will be accepted anymore. But I don't think they've given up. They're still being a little bit of a trickster. They're still trying to do some underhand things, even though... Why, Spirit? Yes, this person is feeling they're unable to manifest working things out with this Queen. They feel they've lost their stability, they've lost a chance to have a happily ever after. But they do want a reunion. Three of Cups, Spirit? What's the Three of Cups? Three of Cups. Yes, they don't want to wait around anymore. They actually want a reunion. They want a reconciliation. They know they've kind of created some bad memories in the past with this Queen, and that kind of really stresses them out. They can't sleep at night anymore. They have nightmares. They have nightmares. They know who their choice is. I mean, if they were divided in their attention or anything in the past, they aren't anymore. They are hugely depressed and having a lot of anxiety because they feel their person has gone off, maybe celebrating life elsewhere, right? So what's this Two of Pentacles? What are they going back and forth in their mind about? How to remove the toxicity from this connection. They want another chance, it seems. They want to, I think they want to come towards this Queen of Swords. They want to travel towards this Queen of Swords, and they're hoping that they can change things around. They want to rebuild. My God, this person wants to rebuild, but they're still unclear as to how to do it. They are trying to gather as much information from gossip or finding out information. Page of Swords in reverse. They feel that now they've recognized that they do love this Queen of Swords, but things have totally halted and stopped in this connection. This Queen of Swords is no longer invested in them or sees them as very petty or very childish, or I don't know. So now they know who they love, but they feel all these games I played kind of backfired on me. They don't know what work to put in, how to work on this. Look at this. What can I do? What can I do? What work can I put in? Because I've been cut off completely. Everything that I did just backfired on me. I got, maybe this Queen of Swords caught them or found out information and was upset with them and left them. So now the Two of Cups is in reverse. Yes, because this Queen, who's now become the Empress, has stopped investing in this connection. I don't see any growth here. I don't see any future here. I don't see any fertility, any abundance in this connection anymore. So this is like a soulmate connection gone wrong because of somebody's maybe bad behavior in the past. Now this Empress has, I think, probably taken a stance that I'm not interested anymore. So Knight of Cups now, Spirit. What's the Knight of Cups? Okay, now the person left behind, oh wow, okay, they are getting very frustrated. They're getting very frustrated, upset, angry. They feel jealous, very, very jealous that this Empress may be going on towards new love or new suitors. They're very jealous. Yes, they feel they've lost their chance now. They've lost their chance for stability with this Empress, and the anger and frustration and the jealousy, look at the jealousy of this King of Wands is because they feel this Empress is moving towards whoever they want, new love in their life, having a very good time. Now this person, I think, wants to return. Six of Cups, Spirit. Yes, they want to fight. They want to fight to get this Empress back. Be very careful. My God, this person hasn't given up. Scorpio, I don't know which side you're on. If you are the Empress, this person is watching you 24/7. They've got their eye on you big time. They're gathering as much information as possible. This person has full intentions of returning, and they are going to do anything and everything. They want to fight to get this Empress back. Okay, so whatever information you're giving out to people who are in common or whatever, be very mindful because everything is going to them. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Scorpio. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.